Hi guys, Ivan and Susan here from Bloggers on the Loose. Another short video today. Perth house prices have rose by an average of $448 per day. That's a lot. It made probably a few people millionaires in this state. That's the highest amount that prices have risen in the history of the city of Perth. So what we'll do is I'll go through a few statistics for you, and we'll go for a bit of a walk, and we're actually in the Guildford area, yeah, Woodbridge, Guildford area, and that's the Swan River over there. And we thought we could walk down this little gangway thing, but it just leads to a jetty over there. So guys, according to Domain, this report was released on the 25th of July 2024, and the WA's capital was once again, that's Perth by the way, was once again the nation's top performer with a 23.8% jump in its stratified median house price, making it the strongest annual growth rate in 17 years. So yeah, a lot of strange things have happened in Perth, guys, as you know, with real estate. It either make you or break you, as they say. So the unit market also eclipsed all other capital cities with a 25.5% growth, with both houses and unit prices now at record highs of 852,240, that's for houses, that's the median house price, and 466,720 respectively, that's for the units. So massive jumps. Something will have to give, I think. That's my opinion on that one. There's something will have to give. I'm not, that's Domain hasn't said that. I'm saying it's something will have to give. I don't know which way it's going to go. No one knows, I don't think. These figures really showcase the change that we've seen in pricing, and Perth continues to wear the crown of Australia's best housing market in terms of performance. That was said by Domain Research and Economics Chief Dr. Nicola Powell. So interesting stuff there. She goes on to say, I think what's really interesting is Perth really bucking the national trend now, because what we have seen is declaration of price growth across many other cities, but the pace of the price growth in Perth is about 1.5 times higher than the previous quarter. So pretty interesting stuff there for Perth. So one of the suburbs in Perth, and we've spoken about this quite a bit, is a suburb called Armidale. Now that's been picked out again over here. Armidale recorded the city's sharpest annual rise in price growth, with house values increasing an extraordinary 38.5% to reach 450,000. So it's relatively still very cheap in Armidale, but it has gone up by 38.5%. And that 450,000, that's the median house price over there in Armidale. There are other few suburbs also. Callaroo, Camilo, Kelmscott and Seville Grove rounded out the top 5 performing suburbs for the year, each recording growth of about 35% or more. So there you go, guys. So we might just go back over here because we're heading into no man's land. It's not a very easy spot to walk around. That's the Swan River, by the way. That's part of the Swan River through the Guildford Woodbridge area. Thought we'd just come over here. It's a nice little walk around here. And the planes go fairly low over here because the airport's not too far. So I'll continue about Perth and its massive price growth, guys. Dr. Powell, Nicola Powell, has said Perth has been the market that has been the surprise. What we've got is conditions that are reminiscent of the mining boom. And even in some of these regional WA markets, it is like mining boom times. So interesting stuff there what this lady's saying, because it has gone crazy, Perth market. She goes on to say, but we've got to remember that Perth is meant to be one of Australia's more affordable capital cities, and when you see pace of price growth over a quarter of 6.6%, that is unsustainable in the long term, and the only winners from this type of price growth is people who are already in the housing market and are reaping the benefits. So if you're in the market, especially if you own your house outright, guys, you're laughing. But if you do want to sell your house in this market, you're going to have to buy something much more expensive somewhere else. That's just the way it is. That's what I'm saying. Miss Powell never said that bit. What this is what she goes on to say also. What this does is actually cuts out a whole cohort of new buyers and first-time buyers that just cannot break in because the prices are so high. People aren't earning enough money to support a mortgage of, say, $700,000 or $800,000, and the banks will not lend them that money. So that's what she's saying in a nutshell there. So remarkably, the report has highlighted a list of Perth suburbs where affordability has actually improved, and amid widespread record-breaking price growth. Applecross's unit market topped the list of the most improved affordability with a 14.7% annual decline. So the unit prices in Applecross, if you guys are interested in units, unit prices in Applecross has actually gone down by 14.7% in its median price. House prices in North Coogee, which is not bad out there, Coogee Bay, also took a dive of 13.3%. So guys, we're just walking down this little rampway over here, and we're gonna probably end this video near on that jetty over there, because it's empty now. It had a lot of people on there before. I don't know what they were all there for, just admiring the views probably. But anyway, affordability has also improved from this time last year in places like West Leederville, Burswood and Whitegum Valley, with house prices falling by between 6.4 and 10.9%. So guys, if you're interested in these areas, check them out, because house prices are actually dropping. And like I said, in Applecross, the unit prices are dropping over there, because they are building a hell of a lot of units in that Applecross, Mount Pleasant type area. So check it out over there. You might be able to pick yourself up a bargain, because there's a lot of units going up over there. So Perth's top price growth suburbs. Armidale, like I said, topped it at 38.5%. Next was Callaroo at 38.2%. Camillo came in at number 3 at 38%. Kelmscott at 35.1%. Seville Grove 34.9%. Ravenswood 33.7%. Parmelia 33.6%. Aurelia 32.7%. Coolangatta 32.2%. And Tuathil for units, this is for units in Tuathil. The rest of our houses, Tuathil's for units, 31.3% price growth. That's pretty good price growth in these areas, guys. If you bought over there before this boom, good on you. If you haven't, you can try your luck, because a lot of these suburbs that I read out are reasonably cheap suburbs. Except for Tuathil, that's sort of up there, it's close to the city. The rest of them are sort of outer suburbs. Callaroo's pretty expensive, so that's $1 million price bracket out there in Callaroo. So we'll cross that one off the list if you're just an average punter. So what did you guys think of this video? As I'm here on this little jetty. And that's the Swan River, and there's a vineyard in front of us, guys. Look at that. We're not sure, it might be the Mandoon Winery, but we're not sure what it is. There's a sign over there. Riverbank Estate Winery. I can just make it out, sorry, so it's not the Mandoon. So with that said, we might just wind it up over here, guys. And hopefully my hand doesn't slip and I go tumbling into the drink over there, because have a look, it's pretty muggy, or not muggy, murky, I should say. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Let us know what your thoughts are. Leave some comments below. Don't forget to give it the old thumbs up. On this beautiful day here in Perth, actually, it's no clouds in the sky, but the rain's coming next week again. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.